Hey guys, it's your girl Yolanda Monique, and I am here to do my unboxing for my Boxycharm Luxe. Let's see what's inside of it. Have my trusty little... Alright, so Boxycharm Luxe is the largest subscription that Boxycharm has. It is a quarterly subscription. It is beauty and lifestyle. It is $50. It's actually $49.99, but let's just say $50. You have to be subscribed either to Boxycharm Base Box or to Boxycharm Premium to upgrade to the Luxe. So let's see what's inside. So the theme is, I'm not sure what that is. I guess, oh, pretty edgy. Not sure I get it, but okay. So, oh, don't want to look, don't look. So the first thing I see here is a palette. I don't know who this is. Zoeva. I saw spoilers about this. Okay, it is a blush palette. So the first shade is Fame and Fortune. The next one is 1929, and then Curtain Call. So here they are. They definitely look pigmented. I don't know if this is a blush or a highlighter. Hold on. Let's see if I can sound like I actually know what I'm talking about. Zoeva Premier Blush Palette. 2 highly pigmented blush shades, 1 shimmering pink and 1 matte terracotta, plus 1 champagne highlighter will help you shine brighter than ever. The Premier Blush Palette 1920 Showgirls illustration will have you feeling extra cheeky. MSRP is $19. Here we go. Okay, the highlighter ain't no joke. Okay, so Fame and Fortune is right here, and then the terracotta one, which is, what is that called? Curtain Call. I could definitely see myself wearing Curtain Call. This, we gonna have to see. The highlighter, boy, that's no joke. And that's just one swatch. Let me spread this out on my hand a little bit. See, that's me spreading it out. So yeah, the highlighter, and they always do gold highlighter. I'm just curious, why always gold? The thing that I got to choose as my choice, and it's right here, and this is Maraca Oil Protect and Prevent Spray, color complete. I do color my hair, and that's, I thought it was a hair protectant, like for a hot products, you know, like flat iron it, and then after I picked it, then I went and read up on it, and I was like, oh, that's not what I thought it was. So this right here is where it, okay, Protect and Prevent Spray, shield your hair color from daily damage. Protects and prevents spray helps keep hair color from fading or becoming brassy by protecting it from exposure to environmental factors that weaken the hair. MSRP is $30. So it's basically just sunscreen for your hair. If I'd known that, I probably would pick something different. I'm just so afraid it was gonna be gone, because that's happened before, where I went and looked at something and then I was like, oh, I'll come back later on during the day, and then it was gone. So I was like, oh, it's up, pick. Yeah, this will be interesting to try. The thing that I am excited about, because I bought another product from them during the add-on, but it's the PMD, and it's pink, and the one that I purchased is pink, so I was like, who they match? Thank you. Okay, so PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. MSRP is $99. So, and I do know that they said that on the back you can do to put in your serums. On the front it's the silicone wash. It's waterproof and ergonomic. I don't know why all of my stuff always looks like someone's opened it. I just don't know why. But oh, they are so nice. They actually provided a battery, and this is super cute. So you can see the little, see the little nubs, and then on the back is supposed to be where you can. Mine will never leave the shower, because I mean that's where my current one is now. So using this part to put in the serums, I don't know. But it has a little cup that allows it to sit. It actually does sit. I gotta figure out how to do this in my shower. But yes, this was the thing that I was most excited about, because I was honestly looking at getting another cleaning device. Now I don't have to, and hopefully this really works out. So I'm really excited about that. Let's do this. Murad. This was the other choice. I didn't want a curling iron. I've got braids. And I didn't want the Tarte makeup palette, I don't really use the Tarte palettes that I get. So I chose this, and this will go in my stash until I'm ready to use it. But this is the Murad Hydration, let me read. Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So deeply quenches the delicate eye area with a nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothly. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. MSRP is $70. So yeah, I'm definitely, when I'm finished using the one that I have now, I might grab this, but it's gonna go into my skincare stash and eventually get used. So I do like that. This was interesting. I heard so many complaints about these. I've never actually used them. And it's the Bum Bum cream and the Cocoa Banana cream. I think I have a smaller one from Epsy. But people were like, why are we not getting full size? But if they're giving you two, I guess they're feeling like 2 small ones is equal to 1 full size. I don't know, but let's go. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Cream Duo. This duo of Sol de Janeiro iconic body cream comes complete with the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which helps to visibly tighten the appearance of skin with an addictive pistachio and salted caramel scent. Seriously? Hold up, let me read this. Oh my God, it does. I can smell the salted caramel. I don't smell the pistachio. Okay, sorry. That was the first time I never, you can tell I never use their products. Okay, so going back to the creams. Let me do this so you can see them. Ha. The Coco Cabana body cream provides 72 hours of hydration with a delicious complex fragrance of young green coconut cream, tropical orchids, and toasted praline. Manufactured retail price is $15. So yeah, that is the the cheapest thing out of all of this. So let me smell the other one. Because why don't it smell like cocoa if it's called cocoa? Okay, that's a weird scent. Okay, I'm serious. I was expecting it to smell like cocoa. I mean, I'll use it, but that's just weird. The next thing is Spongel. I received one of these in my last Luxe box and ended up giving it to my mom because she loves taking baths, and I think I might give her this one as well. So body wash plus buffer. Spongel body wash infused buffer. Spongel's unique body wash infused buffer changes instantly underwater as you squeeze, from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to a soft as silk. Our patented technology provides a guaranteed number of 14 washes. MSRP is $16. So I think my mom will like this. I'm pretty sure I could probably use it in the shower, but maybe on the next one I'll try it and see. So NARS, this I was like, yes, here it is. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and the pigment I have is London Calling. That's cute. Do I have a shade similar to this? It's not a everyday use shade, at least not for me. Can you see that right there? Yeah. I'll let it dry while we read this, and then we'll see how it turned out. Yeah, but if you see it once, we're probably going to do it twice. Power Matte Lip Pigment. Potency and precision. This unique power couple a powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid pigment complex, liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel, introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultimate flexibility, long lasting wear. MSRP is $25. This is pretty expensive, so still hasn't dried yet. So we'll come back to that after I do the last thing. Like, so y'all see that splash on that? So that's what was like, was the NARS open before? Okay, so I've heard so much about this. I'm looking forward to it. Please don't let it be shattered, because someone else had theirs and theirs was shattered. Okay, so yes, come on, hunty. Isn't that beautiful? That is just gorgeous. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Full size. Oh, I am loving their shimmers. Okay, that one's kind of rough. Swipe Up is very textured, like crazy textured. Oh, but it is a gorgeous color. Okay, I'm normally not a shimmer kind of girl, but seriously, this is giving me all kinds of vibes. Okay, so you see the top one, that one, I mean, like, ooh, that's gorgeous. And there's the blue, then there's the purple, then there's the gold, then there's Pop Up. So I cannot wait to try some of these. I'm so tempted to put one on top of here. I'm like seriously so tempted. Okay, hold on. Full size. And this is the purple one. Okay, you cannot tell me. Okay, now see this one? Now see this one. It's like, it made it kind of dual chrome. I'm curious to see what Charmer does to this one. Okay, yes, I know they're two looking eyes, but I'm going to take it off anyway. But oh my God, yes, I am looking forward to doing some looks with this. I know I'm so childish. Oh, I didn't tell you all about this. Okay, I'm pretty sure y'all seen other people who've unboxed theirs. But let's go to Boxycharm Hello Charmers palette. This exclusive Hello Charmers palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmer shades made specifically for our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff with provide smooth texture for transitioning day to night looks. MSRP is $39. Okay, I'm really feeling the blue. This one. The teal one is nice. Oh my God, I can think of a water look for this. Only thing is I don't know what happened to the cover, which I'm okay with. And then I love how it had all the embossment, which someone's already showed that. So total price is going to be up here. Because I haven't calculated, but you'll see it right here. So that's the total cost of the box. I do know, and I'm sorry, I'm excited about this. I know that this box probably had the most variety of things. I'm really liking it. I'm happy with it. Irregardless of the price point. I know some people were like, it wasn't as high as they thought it was. I like it. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm happy with my Boxycharm box. I am really excited to do a makeup look. I will definitely come back and do a makeup look with this. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen tons of makeup looks with the Charmers palette, but you haven't seen mine. So definitely looking forward to that, and I promise I won't do this look. But thank you again for watching. Let me know what you got. Let me know what you think about the box, if you think it was worth it. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day and stay safe. Talk to you guys later. Bye.